Today I'm gonna show you how to fix or how to enable rounded corners in Windows 11. Right now I have a Windows 11 of course, and this is default dark theme, and like you see I don't have any rounded corners on my Windows. So how to fix that? In start menu type device and choose device manager. Here under the display adapters you will see your driver. Right click and update the driver. Because I have already do that, I will just enable the device. So after you update display driver, you should get rounded corners in Windows 11. It's worked for me. I really hope that it will work for you too, but if it's still not working, you can download a driver for your graphic card from the official website, and I really think that you will fix your problem with these rounded corners. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.